Hi, my name is Shaira. I'm from BA117 Group I.
Hi, my name is Mimie. I'm from BA117 Group I.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Aqil and I'm from Group BA117 Group I.
Just for a minute. Just for a minute.
The Part A, Question 1. Mustafa has decided to invest 505,000 when his daughter is born. His intention is to make sure that his daughter will have enough fund when she further her study at the age of 18. Bank Manali offer him a compound interest rate of 6.5% compounded every 3 months for the first 10 years and compound interest rate of 5% compounded semi-annually for the rest of the investment period. Calculate the total interest Mustafa will earn for his daughter if he chooses to invest with Bank Manadi. In this question, we use the formula S equal to R 1 plus I power of n and minus 1 divided by 1. And we insert the number and become 500,000 5,500 equal to R 1 plus 13 per 800 power of 40 and minus 1 divided by 13 per 800. For doing this question, we put the 13 per 800 to the left and then just calculate and calculate. So the R equal to 8.89.375 per 0.90555,874 per 83 and equal to RM 98.70, and then we got the I1. So I1 is 5,500 minus 98.70 times 40 and equal to RM 1,552. And then the second I, we're going to use the same formula also. So we use 5,500 equal to R, bracket 1 plus 1 per 40, close bracket, power by 60 negative 1. Divided by 1 per 40, and also we use the and then we're going to put the 1 per 40 to the left, and then the answer just calculate it, and it gets R equal to 137.5 per 0.48450562066. R will be equal to 283 per 80, and then we got I2 equal to 5,500 minus 283 per 80 times 16, and then and then it gets RM 959.36, and then we just minus I1 and I2, and it gets 552.64. So the second question is the question asks us to calculate the minimum acceptable interest rate he should select for the investment. So we select the F and T, which is F is 1,500 and T is 8 years. So first formula we use I equal to S minus P, and then we just put the I, which is 105,000 equal to S minus 5,500, and S equal to 20,500. Second formula we use is S equal to P 1 plus I n power of n. 20,500 equal to 5,500 and 1 plus 1 plus I power of n. 20,500 per 5,500 equal to 1 plus k per 2 power of 36. And then just calculated, and then we got 7.44.
Part A, Question 2. Aiden intends to make a loan of 100,000 to finance his business from Hang Nadim Bank. The bank offers two options, namely Scheme A and Scheme B for 15 years. Scheme A, 7.45% compounded quarterly. Scheme B, 8% compounded every 4 months. Question number 1. Compare the value of interest for both schemes. From the question, we got 100,000 of loan amount, which is P. In Scheme A, we got 0.0745 for interest rate and 4 for monthly compound. In Scheme B, we got 0.08 for interest rate and 3 for monthly compound. 15 years for the loan period. In Roman 1, they want us to compare both Scheme A and Scheme B. In this question, we use S equals to P multiplied with 1 plus I power of n and I equals to S minus P formula. But first, we have to look for I and n by using I equals to K divided by M and n equals to M multiplied with T. Let's solve Scheme A first. Insert number in the formula and we got 149 per 8,000 for I and 60 for N. After that, enter the numbers in S equals to P multiplied with 1 plus I power of N formula, and it become 1100 multiplied with 1 plus 149 per 8,000 power of 60. Solve it and we got 302,593 ringgits 68 cents. After that, we minus it with 100,000 and the answer for scheme A is 202,593 ringgits 68 cents. After that, we solve scheme B. Insert number in the formula and got 2 per 75 for I and 45 for N. Enter the numbers in S equals to P multiplied with 1 plus I power of N formula. It become 1100 multiplied with 1 plus 2 per 75 power of 45. Solve it and got 326,832 ringgits 91 cents. After that, we minus it with 100,000 and the answer for scheme B is 226,832 ringgits 91 cents. The answer for Roman 2 is Eden should choose scheme A because the value of interest are lower than scheme B.
Part B, question 1. Fitri makes a loan of Rm 25,000 to further his study and he is charged at 3% compound monthly. After he graduates, he need to pay back his loan. If he need to pay Rm 293.24 every month to settle his loan, find the number of payment he has to make. First of all, we should do is take out all the important information. Now we will use formula A equal up bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.03 over 12 power of minus n divide 0.03 over 12. And now we will solve it step by step. But for 0.7866 for 0022 equal bracket power minus n, the next step we will use log. It will be log 0.7868 for 0022 equal minus n log bracket 1.0025. After that, we will solve it like usually and we will get the answer is n equal 96. 2. If he want to settle the loan for 5 years only, what is the additional amount that he need to pay for monthly payment? So now we will use the same formula. 25,000 equal up bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 1 over 400 power of minus 60 divide 1 over 400. Now we will solve it one by one. The answer we will get is 449.22, but we need to minus with 293.24 because it's one additional amount. And the last answer is RM 155.98.
Part B, question 2. An apartment is purchased by making a down payment of 30,000 ringgit. The balance is to be paid in 30 years time with monthly installment of 1,618 ringgit 79 cents. The interest charge was 6% compounded monthly. In Roman 1, they want us to count the cash price of the bungalow. From the question, we got 30,000 ringgit for the A, 30 years for the T, 1,618 ringgit 79 cents for the R, 0.06 for the interest rate, and 12 for M. In this question, we use S equals to R multiply with 1 plus I power of N minus 1 divided by I formula. But first, we have to find the N and the I. So we use I equals to K per M and N equals to M multiplied with T. So we got 1 per 200 for I and 360 for n. Insert the number in the formula and it becomes 1,618 ringgit 79 cent. Multiply with 6.02257521229 minus 1 divided by 1 per 200. We solve it in the bracket first and got 5.0225752126. After that, we multiply it with 1,618 ringgit 79 cent. Divide by 1 per 200 and got 8,130.4945178597 divide by 1 per 200. We got 1,620,098 ringgit 91 cent. Minus with 30,000 and we got 1,590,098 ringgit 61 cent.
So the second question is, the question asks us to calculate the minimum acceptable interest rate he should select for the investment. So we select the F and T, which is F is 1,500 and T is 8 years. So first formula we use I equal to S minus P, and then we just put the I, which is 105,000 equal to S minus 5,500 and S equal to 20,500. Second formula we use is S equal to P 1 plus I n power of n. 20,500 equal to 5,500 and 1 plus 1 plus I power of n. 20,500 per 5,500 equal to 1 plus k per 2 power of 36. And then just calculate it, and then I we got 7.44.